questions from our customers on a routine basis, and you would call it sewer, myth, or fact. So I want to see if I could stump Christina here. What do you think?
I don't know.
We're going to find out.
It could be surprising.
We're going to find out. So people ask, can rodents and other critters crawl up through your drain pipes?
That is a fact.
Very good. That is a fact. That can actually happen, particularly if you don't use your drains too frequently. Rodents, insects. It has been known that people look down into the toilet and something's looking back at them. So you are correct.
Yes.
Another question we get asked from our customers on sewer, myth, or fact. Christina.
Okay.
Did Thomas Crapper invent the toilet?
Thomas Crapper? I don't even know who that is.
You think he really existed?
No, I don't think he existed. And I think that's a myth.
Buzz! I got you. He did not invent the toilet, but he did exist. He actually, 60 years after the toilet was invented, modernized the flush toilet and is known for doing that.
And that's why it's called the crapper.
Well, I don't think so, but maybe. You just stumped me. I stumped you, you stumped me. Got it.
Go.
Part 3 of Sewer Myth or Fact with Christina. If you put ice cubes down your garbage disposal, do you think it sharpens the blades?
Ice in your garbage disposal.
Ice cubes.
I think that's a myth. I think it would chip the blades.
Now, you were doing so good. You were like right until you said that. Now, you were right. It will not sharpen the blades. Does you think it has any benefit at all to a garbage disposal?
Yes.
Very good. I am impressed. I had to look that up. I didn't know that. What do you think it does?
Removes any stuck on food.
Get out of here. 1,000% right.
You see, I told you I'll surprise you.
Check.